This library guide is devoted to to provide resources to assist users with the genealogy online and offline. Most the users that it's devoted to are beginners who have just entered into the idea of doing family history and genealogy. It says for public libraries at the top because that's where the most access is going to come in for those people. Everything in this is sorted alphabetically. So for search terms, if you just want to go straight to H, there's a couple of resources there, but the only letters that are provided in this are ones that have resources under them already. As said before, the sources in this are devoted to beginners in family history and genealogy, but you can also use them beyond that. There are a number of databases that provide historical records and genealogical records and that users can use to create and put onto family trees, such as Family Search right here, or Ancestry Library at the top, or even the Census Bureau, which is a more official government supported database that allows users to get information from anywhere in the United States. All of these resources are United States focused. So if you're trying to create a genealogy for people outside of a family outside of the States, generally speaking, that's not going to work very well with the resources provided here. Overall, most of the step-by-step processes are going to be found in the book resources, such as Family History 101, A Beginner's Guide to Finding Your Ancestors. Otherwise, this site is created perfectly for any user who's interested in creating a family history tree. It's tagged under beginning genealogy and family history and genealogy if you need to search for it. And also, if you just need it defined, you can start on the how we started our family history journey and go from there. All of these are created for any user to just go into it and start working on it right away. And that's all that this resource has to provide for users.